Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, you will see the capability of our Electronic Business Process Automation Platform, EBA, for Lessons Learned Management. Let's get started. You can connect EBA from your handheld devices. It is available for Android and iOS device. After you log in, you can find all the pending tasks and also the request for approval on this home screen. On the top left, you can also find the applications that you digitize in EBA. Today, we will get into the quality management session and find the lessons learned application. By using this application, you can create a new record of the lessons that you have learned during your operations of your company. This application helps you manage and record all the information like the date of this record, the source, the department, and also entering the detail and action that you have for this particular record. And once it is ready, then we can make our action like sending it to the workflow or canceling it in the system. You can also connect to our system by using your web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. After you log in, you can find all the pending tasks and also the request for approval on this homepage. And on the left, this is the main menu of our system, and you can find the lessons learned application under this main menu. You can open this up and create a new record for your lessons learned. And you can pick and choose the date, for example, from a calendar. And also the username will be captured automatically, the department and also the source. If there's any detail, you can also manage it in the system, and all the actions that you have assigned it and performed for this particular record. After that, we can put into the workflow. As for all the applications that we have in the system, there is a unique workflow working behind it. Once the form is ready, then we can use the control icon on the top and either send this into the workflow or deleting this record. As for all the records that you have managed under this application, you can find all of those in the reporting tool. The system saves all the records that you have and save them in an archive. And with the permission, you can also open this previous record and keep tracking all the records that you have saved in the system. It comes to the end of my demonstration. You're more than welcome to contact us and schedule a free demonstration session. Thank you for watching.